All right, we got the 2015 Volkswagen GTI. We're gonna put some new wiper blades on it. The ones on there now are trashed. So what you want to do is turn the car on, turn the car off, push down on the wiper blade. That brings the blades into position. And we're gonna pop these off of here. And we're gonna put on the new ones. Let's see, I picked these up at the dealer, and all together with tax and everything was 64, 65, something like that. So let's get these on. All right, you just want to lift these up and use a rag to go underneath, just in case after you take the blade off, in case this snaps back, it doesn't crack your windshield. Just press in this little button here. Pops right off. You can see it was pretty worn out. And here is the reason why you put the rag, so you don't smash your windshield. It's an exact match, which is not easy to find at other places. That's why I went to the dealer, and just snaps in. Just like that. Boom. Do the other one. Again, worn out. Just slides right into place. Boom. All right, we got the rear replacement here. It's the same process, pretty simple. Just pushing this little lever, this little clip here. Pops right out. Here we go. That's it. Oh yeah. See ya.